In this video, I'll discuss what you need to include in your conclusions section of your lab report. The conclusions section is all about demonstrating what you learned from your laboratory experiment. This is the only part of the report in which you can use first person. The rest, you should use a passive voice, taking the researcher out of the report. You will need to specifically state what's learned. Don't simply restate the lab's objective. Think hard. Relate it to your life or other chemistry topics. We are looking for you to connect the lab experiment to the content from your lecture course to other chemistry topics as well. Think about maybe making a mind map or a word cloud as you continue to learn more chemistry. The more solid connections that you can make, the more likely you're to truly understand the topic. So if you start by drawing a mind map, it'll help you see those connections. Then you can translate those connections into sentences and explanations in your conclusion section. Another way to demonstrate your deep understanding of the lab is to make a reasonable recommendation on how to improve the experiment. Is there a specific step in this procedure that you think could be clarified? Tell us which step. What specific words you would use to make it easier to follow? Is there a concept that you think needs a deeper look at in the background of the lab manual? Again, be specific. Which specific topic? How deep are you going to want to go? What information do you think others could need to have a better understanding? Don't simply blow off the task and say that the lab is perfect. Think about it deeply. The other thing your conclusion should do is be a demonstration of your understanding of the chemistry content, and that is done using your full laboratory experience. We'll be looking at the quality of your report, the work that you did in lab, otherwise known as your lab technique, and the information provided in your lab notebook. All of these things together will demonstrate to us your understanding of the experiment. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure to ask them on our Course Piazza site, reach out to your TA or send me an email, or you can ask anybody during their office hours.